What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. I am your host, Taco here. It is a beautiful, wow, I am super close to the screen. Oh, well, it's a beautiful Friday afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you are, however you are. I hope you're having a good one. Let's get right into the crypto markets. But first, I'm all over the place. Jeez, my screens, my tabs are all over the place. I think we're good. That's not the right button. This is the right button. All right. So here's the current crypto markets. But first, not even that. Give us a follow over here on Degen Alpha Show on X. We are live Monday through Friday, 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on X and on YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and, of course, the wildest degenerate crypto picks handpicked by me, Crypto Taco. Give this guy a follow as well. We are closing in at 4,300. Love to see it. And then, of course, join our Telegram channel. We are a lively group in there. We are leverage traders. We are airdrop farmers, DeFi position holders. You name it, we do it in there and on this channel. So let's get into the stories. After this one, actually, let's get into the markets. What are the markets doing? Looks like we're not doing too well. Across the 2.4 million cryptos, the market cap is holding 2 trillion. It's at 2.05 trillion, but it is down 4.08% today. 24-hour volume is down 7.44%. I would expect this to be up, but it's down at 68.11 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 56.3. ETH dominance 14.4. And if you want to send your friends some Ethereum, it'll cost you around 27 cents. Let's double check. 27 cents. I was off. It's only 17 cents, but that's okay. CoinMarketCap doesn't always get the correct GUI. That's all right, though. Bitcoin, down 4.41% today, down 5.8% on the week, sitting at $57,936. We'd be in trouble if it was at 5,700. We're at 57,000, almost 58,000. Ethereum is sitting at $2,448, down 8.25 on the week, down 4.81% today. BNB is having a bad week as well, down 9.63% and 3% today. Solana, after hitting $160, it decided to reverse. It is at $132, down 8.74% today. Let's look at the top gainers. Probably not much. Yep, the only gainers today are not even gainers, but they're stable coins. Stable, that's the key word here. At least they're stable. $1 for USDC. PayPal is at 99 cents. DAI 99 cents. Tether 99 cents. They're pretty close to $1, so we'll take it. But top losers, PopCat down 23.58% today. What is going on with PopCat? And Floki down 20.66%. Clayton down 13.72. Helium down 13. Celestia lost its $5 mark. It is down 24.3% on the week, 12.17% today. Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance is down 12%. Say lost 30 cents. It is at 28 cents, down 11.63%. And Dogwoof Hat, oh no, down 11.28%. Let me say hi to the chat. We got Michael Killo. We got Donato Cabrera, Tommy Martin, Wick589, King Copa. And what are you guys talking about in here? Small World, Donato, XRP ETH, and XRP Sol on the weekly-ish. End of the month dump, first of the month pump, says Tommy Martin. I'm hoping so. I'm hoping that September is a bullish month for crypto. It is historically not been too bullish. We could check that. Bitcoin percent gain monthly. Let's look at that. All right. So here's that famous image. So in the month of September in 2023, we went up about 4%, but the previous 6 years, in 2022, 2021, 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017, all went down 3% in 2022, 7% in 2021, 7.5% in 2022. In 2019, 13.38%. 2018, 5.58. 2017, 7.4%. So historically, September has not been a great month, but maybe this time's different. Hopefully this time's different, but it does look like October is a great month for Bitcoin. In 2023, a 28.5% pump. 2022, 5.5. 2021, a 40%. 2020, a 27.7% pump. And in 2019, we went up 10%. So let's hope that September isn't too bad. I would love it to be in the green, but it is. We're gonna have to wait and see. We might have rate cuts in September, so that could be a catalyst for a pump, and that could continue on until the rest of the year, which is what I'm hoping to see. All right, back to the charts. Let's see what the meme coin markets are doing. Dogecoin is down on the week 11.28%, down about 4% today. Shiba Inu down on the week 6.5%, down today about 5%. Yeah, meme coins are getting destroyed. So I'm gonna look at this as an opportunity to possibly buy some of these. Bonk is down 12.62% on the week, 8.8% on the day. Let's check out the chart. All right, so this is Bitcoin. This is on the minute chart. We're not going to look at the minute chart. Let's look at the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, you got money flow in the red. It just peaked in the red yesterday, or maybe it was about it looks like yesterday or maybe early this morning. We had that green candle, very small green candle, barely any move there before we got the red dot on market cipher B down here. And if this continues, it could get bloody, because when it gets past this 60 line right here, right there, this is the 60 line. When it passed the 60 line, it was this candle here, and it brought us down about 7%. So actually, I'm getting a spam call, of course, like always, like clockwork. But actually, I started leverage trading on CoinW here. If you want to leverage trade with me, here is my ref link. I put it in the chat. I'll also throw it in the Telegram for CoinW. There's the link. So, I put in a short. I'm looking for this thing to maybe, let's see, definitely potentially hitting the 57,000 rank number. 57,000 right there on that fib level. And if we push past that, maybe we get like a little double bottom here, and that could bring us down to about 52,000. That would be about a 10, almost 11% move. What's up, M Vino? Yeah, hit that like button. Gotta say though, I get it. September is historically a down month, but everything might be a little too eagerly waiting on one last dump. I'm DCing on, says Wick589. I think that's the right mindset. If everybody is looking at the data and everything is looking for a dump, hey, the crypto markets like to do the opposite of what everybody, the consensus, is feeling. I've been around a lot of cycles to kind of confirm that that is true. All right, so I found this tweet. Bitcoin is 68 days before the election. Are you ready? So here is the blue is 2016 to 2017, and they marked it on the chart here, the USA elections. So you can see in 2016 to 2017, it was almost like a pivot point for a bull market pump. 2020 to 2021, same thing. And right here is our 2024 to 2025. So it seems like we're just right on track. It's just par for the course, as my golf friends like to say. So this could be just a slow, steady sideways market like we have been experiencing. Let's go to the Bitcoin chart. Let's go to the daily. This has been that slow sideways action ever since about March of this year. We've been going in this channel for 170 days. It is topped out at 73,628. It touched again right here in April, and it hit 72,896. Touched again here in May, hit 71,800. Another few touches here in June, around the same number, 71,800. Excuse me. And then at the bottom of this channel, it touched in May about 57,000. So that is a pretty big swing. That is a 10,000 plus swing. What is that? $14,000 swing on Bitcoin. Brings us up about 26%, brings us down about 22%. So we're binging and bonging in this channel. So I put in a short here because we got that market cipher B daily red dot about 4 days ago. So that would have been the key time to put in a short, and you'd be up about 8-9%. So we're a little bit late to that short position, but I'm thinking that we're going to go down maybe to that 57K mark. And that would bring us down. What would that be? Another like 3%. So we are on 4x leverage. That would be, what is that? Like a 12% move if we get it. All right, let's go back to the info I got for you guys. So this is that tweet that we were expecting from Donald Trump about his outlook for crypto in the United States. It was actually more of an ad for his son's DeFi project, World Liberty Finance. So here's like a little 17-second video.
This afternoon, I'm laying out my plan to ensure that the United States will be the crypto capital of the planet. They want to choke you. They want to choke you out of business. We're not going to let that happen. This afternoon.
All right, that was it. So here is World Liberty Finance. Of course, beware of scams. Fake tokens and airdrop offerings are circulating. We aren't live yet. So if you want to follow World Liberty Finance, give them a follow. See what they're up to. Maybe turn notifications on. Maybe they do drop a token and they're going to let X know first. So it could be an opportunity to possibly get in on their token because they are not live yet. So I'm going to be on the lookout for that. I'll turn notifications on to see what's going on, and I'll let you guys know. So Charles Hoskinson is back from his side quest. Everyone on crypto Twitter thought he was dead. He's alive and he's well, and he's tweeting out that the Genesis keys are dead. The age of Voltaire is soon upon us. I briefly read this tweet, and I thought it was a pretty cool tweet. You should publish the private keys after the hard fork as a demonstration of how useless they are now, unless they are used in another way. And even Charles commented saying that was pretty cool, and he's going to brainstorm it with Sam here. So essentially what that means is the keys are burned, so no one has ownership of them anymore. So by just putting them out into the public eye, nothing would happen. It's essentially proving that these Genesis keys are burned. They are unusable, and let's read about it. Cardano's Voltaire era nears with June hard fork milestone. Shang will be the first hard fork in the final era of Cardano's roadmap, introducing community-run governance and on-chain community consensus. Charles Hoskinson, creator of the open-source blockchain platform Cardano, anticipates a major event in June. How old is this article? This is an old article. Let's get a more current article. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. News. There we go. This is 6 hours ago. All right. Cardano nears Shang hard fork at last. Cardano's Shang hard fork introduces on-chain governance, allowing ADA holders to participate directly in network decisions. CIP 1694 is central to Cardano's transition towards a community-driven governance model in the Voltaire era. So before, those Genesis keys were in the hands of the founders, the owners of the creators of Cardano. But since those are now going to be burned, that I believe it was over $600 million in ADA is going to be now used for community governance for the Cardano blockchain. The Shang upgrade marks a significant step in Cardano's evolution, enhancing its decentralized governance structure. Cardano's blockchain platform, launched in 2017 by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, is now set for its biggest upgrade in 2 years. The Shang hard fork will introduce a new on-chain governance features, which in turn will allow Cardano users to participate more directly in network decisions. Although it was originally scheduled for this week, the upgrade has been postponed to September 1st to give exchanges like Binance more time to prepare. All right. The magic of deadlines is that people who aren't taking upgrades seriously suddenly say, damn, we gotta get moving. When they get moving, we converge quickly. It looks like Binance and a few others need more time to get their houses in order, so the rocket is going to wait on the pad. Another epoch for the weather to get better. Next, Chang hard fork window, September 1st. All right, so this is, again, going to empower ADA holders with governance. The Shang hard fork will introduce governance mechanisms that, in turn, enable ADA holders to participate in blockchain governance. Specifically, ADA holders will elect delegate representatives and vote on improvement proposals as well as future technical changes. Furthermore, this upgrade is a significant step towards a more community-driven governance model. Moreover, the Cardano Foundation highlights that the upgrade is part of the broader move towards a community-run governance structure, as outlined in Cardano's improvement proposal 1694. I'm going to go out on a whim and say that Cardano is the most decentralized crypto blockchain that exists. All right, CIP 1694 introduces new structures within the Cardano ecosystem, including the Constitutional Committee, D-Reps, and Stake Pool Operators, or SPOs. Once implemented, these groups will maintain and evolve the Cardano blockchain. The Shang upgrade is a key component on the Voltaire era, the final stage of Cardano's current roadmap. The Voltaire era aims to provide the tools necessary for a network to become a self-sustaining system. Cardano is currently ranked as the 30th largest blockchain by DeFi Llama. The project remains a focal point in the crypto community, partially due to Charles Hoskinson's activity role in the industry. Hoskinson is a key figure in Ethereum's early development, frequently shares updates on Cardano progress. ADA super undervalued right now. I agree 100%. Actually, let's see if I have this tweet up. Probably not, but there was a tweet that showed Cardano's road to $20. Let's see if I can find it. Okay. All right. Cardano looks so bullish. A quick retest of the 20-day moving average, then parabolic move. Cardano under 40 cents is free money. Let's see what else. GitHub weekly development activity. Let's see where Cardano, Yoroi, that's their wallet. All right, let's see what else we got here. Cardano Memecoin, nah. All right, I'm not going to be able to find that exact tweet I found earlier. That's okay, though. Let's move on. All right, showed you guys that. That was the article. All right, so Vitalik over here doing some stuff with his Ethereum. Transferred 800 Ethereum or 2.01 million to a multi-sig wallet 40 minutes ago. The multi-sig wallet swapped 190 Ethereum for 477,000 USDC. And on August 9th, Vitalik also transferred 3,000 ETH or 8.04 million to a multi-sig wallet. So is he selling? What's the Vitalik doing over here? And then also I saw this. The largest holder of WITH borrowed 1.4 million USDC from Camino and spent 1 million USDC to buy even more WITH. So he borrowed against his WITH to buy more WITH. The whale currently holds 28.66 million WITH, and the profit on WITH is 65.6 million. So there are some meme coin whales out there, and this guy specifically is a WITH whale. How much liquidity is even in the WITH pool, though? Let's see. Let's check. Hey, we got Blockchain Basement in the chat. What's up, my friend? Is that Drew or is that Isaac? What's up, guys? Glad you're joining me today. We're checking out WITH and the liquidity on it. What's this coin? Real quick on a side note, this coin's up 1,300% and it came out 12 hours ago. All right. Holy, this is a weird chart. What is this percent gain? That's 1,000% gain. And then it looks like all of the whales got out and now it's moving sideways. All right, let's look at WITH though. That's not right. We're going to have to find it from CoinMarketCap. Just take the contract address. There it is. All right, now we can head back over. Should be the first one. There it is. 1.44 billion market cap. Liquidity is terrible. 1.5 million. It's not even 100th of the market cap. So that's not good. That's not good. Let's see. This is an old whiff chart because there's no way it launched up here. Let's see if there's another chart that's older. Yeah, this one's 9 months old. There we go. Here's the real chart. So, yeah, I charted this in the past. It bounced off of this, I guess you could say, support at one. This we're on market cap. Let's see what that price is. So it was right off of about $1.06 or 7 cents, $1.07. So could potentially be support from there to there. But, I mean, of course, this is Memecoins. And again, all right, so the liquidity in this pool is a little bit better, 13.6 million. But still, what do you guys think? What do you guys think for the future of WIF and Memecoins in general? They were super hot in the beginning of the year, leading into the mid-year. It seems to be cooling off drastically from its high. It's down 70%. Let's look at the rest of the market. Let's see what else is moving. Floki down, Brett down. Dogs just came out, down 20% on the week. Book everything, everything. All the meme coins are down. Ponky down. Let's check out Ponky. Let's see if Ponky is at like a good buy zone. Because I like Ponky's memes. Ponky's memes on Instagram are top tier. All right, so this one's 8 months old. It's probably most likely the correct chart. Doesn't look good. This doesn't look like the right chart. All right, so this is 8 months ago. Yeah, this is definitely wasn't the right chart. All right, let's just get the contract address, shall we? It's the best way to get the correct token is just to paste the contract address. All right, it is this chart. It is this chart. All right, so from its inception, it went up around 84%. Oh, all right. Now the rest of the chart wants to populate. Interesting. Interesting. There we go. There's the Ponky chart that we know and love. I was very confused there. Like, I don't remember that chart on Ponky. So let's do some Taco TA. Let's say that that's support. Maybe we could draw another support line, right? Nah, not really. So, hey, here's a support line from here to here. So it's currently sitting on this support zone, but it has fallen there back in August. This wick is about 30%. So it did get eaten up. That wick got eaten up on Ponky. So maybe it could fall down to this line. That'd be a 52% haircut. Taco with hat. Taco with hat, says Crypto Billy. Likes need to be smashed, says Blockchain Basement. Hey, what's up, Manawak? Hey, he's catching me live today on Friday payday. So yeah, I'm going to wait potentially for. So I'm caught between a rock and a hard place, where this could be a great opportunity to get into these meme coins, but I'm like torn if September is going to be bullish or not. I'm thinking like, yes, it's going to be bullish because we got like rate cuts. It's leading up to the election. Don't think the market is just going to completely crap out and just crash. I don't think Bitcoin will go down past, let's see. On the weekly. If we lose 36, 37K, I think bull market is over. But if we bounce off of that, that could just be, I guess, par for the course, where we bounce off of the 200 weekly moving average, which is this green line here. But that would even bring us lower than when the Bitcoin ETF started trading back here. Interesting. So, silver lining, though, on the weekly here, we have a green dot that printed. It needs to confirm in 2 days and 8 hours. 13 bull versus a -3 bear. This is on the weekly. If we zoom in, though, it kind of tells a different story. The bears are in control. An 8, which is not super bearish. It is bearish versus the 1 on the bottom for the bulls. And then looking at market cipher B, We got that red dot 4 days ago. And again, that move was like 8%. Let's see what's our short doing. Oh man! All right, we're down to $1.40, $1.47. That's all right. I still think today we're gonna be going down. I think we're gonna touch off of this 57K. Taco, you said bull run over. If we go lower than 36, 37K, I think the bull run's over. But that is again 50% from, or it's like 39% from where we're at. If we wick down there and then we get like a V-shaped reversal, I would be okay with that. But if we crash down here, down to like the top of the golden pocket, and we sit down here, I think it's over. I don't think that's going to happen though. I really hope it doesn't happen, but we got to wait and see. Let's go to the 15-minute. All right, so yeah, this looks like it wants to reverse on the 15-minute. The 15-minute moving average over the last 200 candles is sitting at 59,600. So what would that be? That would be a 2% move. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, this thing is up like 1% in the last like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Looking at these smaller time frames now because we're leverage trading. All right, we might have reversed up here. Let's wait and see. All right, let's check in on our swell position. That will be way below ETF price. That's what I'm saying. Food is life. I don't think we're gonna get down there, and that would really scare the ETF buyers out of Bitcoin if we crash that much. But I don't think we're gonna get down that far. All right, so in Bitcoin liquid restake token, we put in 0.0135 Bitcoin. Looks like our pearls are up to 56, and our symbiotics points are at 2.2 million. And again, this position we got into, we wrapped our Bitcoin on Coinbase, and then we sent it out to our MetaMask, and then we wrapped Bitcoin into the Swell BTC LRT to get Swell Bitcoin, which is accumulating these pearls. And I believe that the TGE for the Swell token will go live at least in 38 days, or maybe time to 20x long, Taco. I don't know about 20x long. Hey, I mean, I'm going to go out and say that leverage trading for me is more just like get in and get out. I swing trade without using leverage, so I use leverage to just get in and get out really quick on the smaller time frames. But yeah, so this I'm very bullish on, the Token Genesis event. It'll probably populate here within the next 38 days. Ondo has a good long opportunity. All right, we'll check that out. And so yeah, wave 1 drop, it looks like is going to be in 38 days, and we'll see what we get. I'm bullish on Swell. If you want to get into the layer 2, all you have to do is deposit any of these tokens to deposit. There's a bunch of different versions of ETH. USDC, there you can see EtherFi ETH. You deposit in, you start getting ecosystem points, and you can withdraw at any time. Yeah, we're on CoinW. If you guys want to use my link, that is not my link. Let me get you my link. All right, take that right there. Boom. All right, we can bring this back up. Boom. There you go. So yeah, we opened a long before the stream started. We're on a 4x leverage, just a small position. I think I was about 100 or 200 bucks. 232 bucks right down here. You can see the size. All right. So let's look at Ondo. Let's do Binance. Let's go to the weekly. All right, not enough data on the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Okay, so this thing had a really good start. 765% gain since the top. It has fallen about 58%. And this is the daily. It looks like on the daily it wants to fall more. 14 versus -3. The 14 is the bear number. And we got that red dot about 5 days ago. Let me double check. Whoops. 4 days ago. And we got RSIs on the way down. We have very steep on the momentum here. Money flow is heavy in the red, and VWAP is below the zero line. It's sitting at -9. This thing, the VWAP is the yellow waves down here. So I'm just looking at the past. The last time we got past a -9 was back here, and it peaked up to a +4, but then RSIs were heading down, VWAP was heading down. We got like a fake out green dot right here, and then a red dot very soon after, which sent us down about, wow, 49%. So you sure there's a long opportunity on Ondo? This looks more like a short opportunity. Let's go to the 4 hour. Yeah, on the 4 hour, it's also looking bearish. Money flow in the red. The VWAP is together, and it's at like a 6 or an 8 all the way down here. When we were at that level in the past, it was like back here. So maybe like at this point, and we fell. Whoops. We fell 46%. So is there any like levels in the past that we can potentially look at? Okay, so maybe we got to bounce. We wicked past it on that 49% dump. We got to about 49 cents. But bullish divergence. I'm trying to see it. I mean, we're super heavy in the red on money flow. Like, money has to come into the Ondo Tether, Ondo versus Tether asset pair. It's been bleeding ever since July. From July is when money flow flipped into the red, and I mean that's when we got that 54% dump. Back here in April, it dipped into the red, but we actually went up about 25%. And then still in the red, though, we dipped 17%. We came out of the red. Let's zoom in right here on this green candle. And that sent us up 36%. And the total move was 94% gain. So what we're going to need to see a little reversal. We're going to need to see the money flow start to head to the upside. And what does that bring us out until? So we're looking at like September 12th, maybe potentially for money flow to start curving to the upside and get past the zero line. Price action going down, momentum going up, hard to see, but looks like it. I'm on phone. All right, Crypto Billy, let us know when you get off the phone so you could fill us in. So like, see what happened back here with the RSIs. We had a very dramatic dip to the downside, and it got to, this is the lowest the RSIs has ever gotten, to 8.16. We got a very nice reversal off of that, and that was pretty much right before we got that huge wick, but then we soon got that green dot. So like, I use Market Cipher in confluency. So if one indicator on one time frame is showing me like a bullish or a bearishness, I'll go to smaller time frames and kind of confirm like, all right, is that move over, potentially over? Does it still have more potential to either the upside or the downside? What all this is showing me is this has more room to go to the downside and potentially get us down to around 55 cents, maybe even double bottom at 50 cents at this wick right here. But yeah, the bears are in control on the daily here. They're in control on the 4 hour. They're in control on not so much the 1 hour. Not so much the 1 hour. Looks like it could have formed a bottom, not the bottom, but a bottom, maybe over the next hour. We have 53 minutes left on this hour. So what we're looking for is this to curve and form a green dot right on the bottom here. and maybe bring us back up into the zone around 65 cents. But again, looking at the daily, it looks like this could just be a potential little bit of a bullish price action before we go down again. Like we could do something like this, where we just string out to the upside before we have another dump down. So, yeah, that's my take on Ondo. I think it has a little bit more room to go to the downside. This on the hour chart, that was an insane V-shaped recovery. And you see on the RSIs right at the bottom here, they just went on a V line to the upside. So there's a few things that you can see in the chart that help you make these decisions on whether to long or short. I am thinking that this is going to go down further, potentially. All right, let's look at some other meme coins. Let's see. Look at the biggest loser over the last Nero on Ethereum and Landwolf. Let's look at Landwolf. I wonder if they can pull it. Let's see. Yeah, they do it. They do have it. All right, so this is the daily on Landwolf. I am not too confident about the future of Landwolf. 4 hour just looks like it's bleeding out. This thing is probably down like plus 95%. Almost 95% on the day. What happened to Hoppy? Let's check out Hoppy. Do I have it right here? Here's Hoppy. All right, so they did recover a little bit in meme terms, 110%. This chart looks better than Landwolf. I'll check Water on Soul, that scam pump and dump. So maybe that is a bottom on Hoppy or support on Hoppy. Tommy Martin, my Matt Fury pick is Moo the Bull. All right, so I'm going to check out Water, and then I'm going to check out Moo the Bull. But this doesn't actually look too bad. This looks like it has some potential. Unfortunate it's on Ethereum, but gas really hasn't been that bad. To do a swap, it might be like $1.40. So, I mean, it still costs you more than a penny, like on Solana. But if there's opportunities on Ethereum meme coins, definitely want to take advantage. All right, so there's 13,000 holders. Let's look at the data. All right, holder list. All right, MEXC. So this is what makes me believe that, like, did MEXC create this meme coin? Because how do they have 9.74% of the supply, you know? And then the second largest address holds 2.77%, which is 730K. So actually, that's great. That's great. Usually with these coins, you see the top holders can completely wipe out the liquidity. Not in this case. Not in this case. MEXC obviously is not going to dump this entire bag because they need to sell it to their customers. But then, yeah, the second largest holder is 730K, and the liquidity is 1.2 million. So as far as like health goes for a meme coin, this is pretty healthy. Pretty healthy. I mean, you're going to need all these people to dump their entire bag to wipe out the liquidity. And I'm going to just go out on a whim and say, I don't think they're going to. I don't think they're going to. They might be taking profits, but I don't think they're just going to hit the like 100% sell button. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. Like some of these round numbers, could they have gotten their tokens sent to them for free? Who knows? Maybe we can double check. Let's go to this guy. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, so these are the holders. Let's check out this holder that holds 7.5 billion. All right, so the only all right, let's go to their address. Why is it going to Hoppy? Interacted with, which is the Hoppy token, from to. This is the guy's address. Why is it showing me the supply of Hoppy though? From to Hoppy. All right. Is this what we have to do in order to see this guy's wallet? There it is. Okay. All right. So let's see what this guy's been up to. All right. So he bought some Coland Dogs 2.0 Hoppy airdrop. It looks like he got an airdrop from Hoppy Hornet. So let's see if they have any value to them. Yeah, none. The only token that he has any value in is Hoppy. He doesn't even have any ETH in his wallet. Strange. This is a strange holder. Interesting. Very interesting wallet. It wasn't funded by anyone else. They just got their tokens sent to their wallet. 0 transactions. So this makes me believe that possibly there's like an insider kind of coup going on at MEXC, where they are distributing these tokens amongst wallets. And here's one of the tokens. Here's one of the wallets they distributed tokens to. I mean, if this person wanted to, they couldn't even sell this token because they don't have any Ethereum in the wallet. So that's bullish. That's bullish. This is essentially tokens that can't be spent. You can keep this wallet on your radar. I wonder if you go through all of the other top wallets, if they have 0 ETH in their wallets. Again, you need Ethereum on the Ethereum network in order to submit transactions. And this person currently has 0 ETH in their wallet, so they couldn't sell this if they wanted to. Obviously, it would take 15 seconds to send Ethereum to this wallet in order for them to then do whatever they wanted with their tokens, but kind of interesting. All right, let's check out the shitcoin water. I think this is the correct one. Why do you want me to look at this one? So you can see how shitty it is. Launched up here. This is the launch candle, obviously, when the token went live. And yeah, it is blatantly a rug pull. Blatant. All right, let's check out Moo the Bull. All right, Moo the Bull, 5 months, 1 month, 5 months, 93.9 million liquidity, market cap, liquidity, 2.2 million. All right, this one looks legit. All right, I charted this one in the past. Hey, look at that. We are on this resistance flipped support, possibly, but then, this line isn't too pretty, and it's fallen lower than this line at the moment. Let's see if I adjust this a little bit. All right, now it touches these candles a little bit better. It touches this one, some confluence up in here, and then it went on a massive... This is the wick that I believe somebody dumped some with and then just put it all into Moo the Bull. And they are down at this point. It's a rug pull with 1 million in liquidity because essentially, let's go back. I'll explain this. All right, so this liquidity is locked. Total locked liquidity. 99.98% of the liquidity is locked. That means that the person that created this token cannot pull out their liquidity. It is locked in this smart contract. So essentially, the 36,000 holders all have to dump all of their tokens in order to extract that liquidity. It's equal parts, right here, equal parts Solana, equal parts water token. It's 50-50 split. So when people buy water, they're selling their Solana. When they sell their water, they're getting the Solana back. So since this token is so heavily manipulated, we can look at this on bubble maps here. Like when the token was created, the insiders sniped probably like over 50% of the tokens. Here's the cluster. So this cluster is 31%, and they have been selling. So this number was higher. Now it's lower because they've sold it. But essentially, I mean, it's all these people are going to have to sell in order to get a percentage of that liquidity out because it's stuck in these wallets. Does that make sense? How is it a rug pull? I don't know, man. You tell me. Bobby Digital. It's all right. That's what I like to do. Teach you guys. And let's look at the top traders. All right. So they got 13.8K bought, sold. That's not even that big of a percent gain there. 95K, 80K, 66K, 57K. This person got 20K for free. All these other wallets that have zero bought got their tokens for free. And there's a lot of them. I just would never touch this token. It just it's not good. Let's check out one of their other rug pulls. Made by the same team, same situation, 35,000 holders, 3 million in locked liquidity. So again, all the people on the inside took profits, they shilled the token, and then they dumped. 97% down. Let's look at the bubble map for this one. Yeah, one cluster owns 63% of the supply. Not good. Then you got this whale. Yeah, I've been warning you guys about this team of pump and dumpers with this like beer, water, tea. What else did they come out with? A bunch of them. They're just all scam tokens. They have the same logos and everything. The same logos, the same like branding and marketing. Let's check out Godcat. What is it Godcat Exploding Kittens, or is it just plain old Godcat? Is it on Base or is it on Solana? What blockchain is that? Tiny Man? Oh, it's on Algorand. Jeez. There's a version of Godcat on Algorand. So I'm going to assume it's this one. Let's check this one out. Wow, this thing is volatile. Let's go to the 4-hour. All right, so it's got pretty decent pumps. That was 1,000, 1,100% pump, 700-ish, 420. Nice. 500% pump. Let's hope that this doesn't turn from support into resistance. So I would be looking for this to at least get up to this resistance line. That'd be from where it's at, about 54% pump. Holy shit, 197,000 holders. Holy crap. How the hell did they accomplish that? And this token has been out for 30 days and they have almost 200,000 holders. How? Did they do like an airdrop to some community? That's insane. Top traders. All right. This is decent. Not like some outlandish crazy numbers. 4K into 13K for about a 3X or a $9,000 gain. I'm liking this one. This one looks pretty decent. This was another decent one. Hoppy looks decent, and so does Godcat. Hoppy's on Ethereum. Godcat's on Base. Let's see if there's anything hidden in the tea leaves. All right. It doesn't look bad at all. What we don't see is big clusters. There are a few, which is fine. There's like one guy splitting it amongst like 3 or 4 wallets. Yeah, that's fine. And then this guy is at 26th on the holder list, and he holds 0.8 about. This is on Base, so let's go to Base Scan. All right, Godcat Exploding Kittens. I love the name. I love it. Coinbase featured them. There you go. There you go right there. Okay, if this loads today, I'll show you. If not, I bid you adieu. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so the contract address, that's great, holds 10.6%. Only valued at $22,000. Is this? Yeah, this is a really small. This is only 191,000 market cap. Very, very small. Decent volume too. 63K. And liquidity compared to market cap is not bad at all. Where was I? We were right here. All right. Dead address holds 7.15%. So that's essentially, you can remove that from the supply. And then the largest holder holds 5,700. This is looking more and more like a buy every second I'm looking at it. 15-minute, okay. I would have liked to have caught it down here so I can get that 500% move. What the hell, man? Why didn't you tell me 2 days ago? I'm just kidding. So what I'm going to wait to do on this one is probably, it looks like after it has a decent pump, it corrects itself a little bit. So yeah, I'm going to maybe wait for it to get to the bottom of like, let's see in the past. I mean, this could just be gearing up for one of these nice moves to the upside. 260% gain if it gets back up to all-time high. And what was the market cap all-time high? It only got to about a 318,000 market cap. Oh wait. No, it got a little higher than that. My mistake. Let me zoom out. I'm too zoomed in. All right, so it got to around a 761,000 market cap. Okay, that makes a lot bit more sense. But I'm liking that it's kind of like down at the bottom of the range. The holders are good. A massive amount of holders. The P&L looks good. There's not a lot of people that just got their tokens for free. There's a few, but not like a crazy amount. Hey, this guy got a real good trade. $584 into 7,600. Not too bad. So yeah, I might pick this one up. I'm going to keep this one on my radar. Thank you for bringing it up, Big Tip Shark. All right, let's check out my leverage trade. All right, we're just sitting around kind of where I put the position in, so I'll keep that open for the time being. I still think today we're going to go down a little bit more with Bitcoin. Let's double check the chart. Maybe I'm going to change my mind in 5 seconds. I don't want the Bitstamp chart. I want the Coinbase chart. All right, so in the next 4 hours, it's still showing weakness over the next 4 hours. This has 2 hours and 30 minutes to go. On the hour, the bulls and the bears are fighting equally. You can see a 4 versus a 4. On money momentum waves down here, it is lower than its previous momentum wave, which could indicate that it could continue to go to the downside, or it could do something like this. It could start to form some of these. So it goes like this. Something like that. Where it continues to the downside with like a little bit of hopium in between. Something similar to back here. We just start falling off the shelf. And that indicates, let's see what that percent down move was. 10.71%. From here, we went down 5.66%. So yeah, this could just be one of those little candles in between that shows a little bit of hopium before we dump, or it could just be like binging and bonging up and down. RSIs, though, on the hour are headed to the upside. VWAP is headed to the upside. Money flow is heading to the downside, though. So that's why you're getting the bulls and the bears almost equally fighting each other in this candle. All right, last but not least, I think I'm going to check out my Aerodrome position. So I'm in a volatile automated market maker for USDC and Aero. I put in about $600 of USDC, $600 of Aero. And I'm getting 64% emissions on my Aero. So let's see what that is at today. Just got to wait for it to load the pools and the emissions. All right, so I'm at 31.8, which is about $18.50. Not bad. I'm also earning on trading fees, but nowhere near as much as the emissions is. How I got into this position, it's actually the first one on the list here. All you have to do is hit deposit, and you're depositing in equal parts USDC and Aero. And then after you deposit in, you have to stake those liquidity pool tokens in order to get the emissions. So it's super easy. And my Camino position is actually not doing too well because Solana went down. So I took 1,000 PYUSD and I put it into this PYUSD Judo Soul liquidity pool. Overview of it, I'm earning 34.3%, and that's across the 7-day fees, the Judo rewards, and the PYUSD rewards. You can see the breakdown right there. There you can see my position. You can see where I'm claiming the GTO token and the PYUSD token, and you can see the performance of it. I put it in when it was worth around $1,010, but we're in a position that's not just stable coins, so you got to take into account the fluctuation in the price of Solana. But I'm not just going to keep this in here for a few days. I think I'm going to keep this in here for like a few months so I could really start accumulating the rewards. And the price of Solana doesn't really matter. I mean, obviously we want it to go up, but half of it's in a stable, half of it's in Solana, so it's not as risky as if you're in like a meme coin versus Solana or a meme coin versus a meme coin. I don't think they even have those type of liquidity pools. They do have meme coin liquidity pools. Hey, there you go. Jupiter and WEN token, you're getting 57.38%. WEN token and Sol, you can get 85%. Popcat and Sol, you're getting over 99%, but super risky there. But all right, I hope you guys enjoyed this stream today. It was a wild one, like always, on Degen Alpha. Let's check out our position one more time before we go. Whoops, wrong button. All right, we're just flowing, binging and bonging on the 1 minute here. So I do believe that Bitcoin is going to go down today. And I hope you have a great weekend. If you have time, I actually do have another channel I wanted to show you guys before I go. 1 second. Let me bring it up. It's the Crypto Taco Shack. So if you guys are gamers and leverage traders, I combine the two. And actually, I wouldn't even watch this video because the sound is all messed up. But I'm going to get it figured out. I'm going to be playing Black Ops 6 eventually. I think the beta comes out today. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun on this channel. Just something I do in my spare time. Stream for like an hour, 2, 3, 4, 5, however long I want to play. We'll play crypto games on here as well once the games are good enough to like showcase on a live stream. So yeah, give this channel a follow. Hey, I already have 2 subscribers. Yeah, let's go. Growing every single day. And smash that like button on your way out. Again, have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be blessed. Taco out.